The word of the day is heckling. Heckling means to interrupt a public speaker with mocking or insulting comments. Or it can also be said as to annoy someone with questions while he is speaking. ചോദ്യം ചോദിച്ച് വിഷമിപ്പിക്കുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ തടസ്സപ്പെടുത്തുക എന്നൊക്കെ പറയാം. Please note the following sentence. He had to conclude his speech halfway because of heckling from the audience. Please try to make more simple sentences using this word heckling.